Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to flip your camera on FlipGrid, crushing the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Start by tapping open a FlipGrid application. Now get started by joining a code by entering it in the Enter Join Code text box. You can also scan a QR code by tapping on Scan FlipGrid QR at login. Let me go ahead and enter my code in order to join a group. After that, click on Go and enter your student's username. Click Go one more time. And then you're logged in. You'll be strangely taken to the video that you entered the adjoining code for. Now go back to the main screen. Now from this page, tap on Address Ponts in order to open up your camera or our FlipGrid to take pictures and record video by tapping on Allow more access, and a camera screen will open up. If you go to the Effects button, you'll be able to select photos, stickers and photos, GIFs and much more. So just start a video by applying a filter on your video, choose the center that you'd like. Let me click on this blur filter over here. And now the effect has been applied to your video. If you want to flip the camera to the other side, you can simply tap on this icon at the top right corner and you'll be able to flip the camera for FlipGrid. This is your video review page. Trim, edit, and add more to your videos if you want by tapping on the Add More button in the bottom left. If you've left out any part in the video that needs to be recorded, you can tap on Add More and record your video. And finally, after everything's said, tap on Next to the bottom right, go ahead and face the rest of the process and tap on Submit. That's how you can flip your camera on FlipGrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.